Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to join Travis and Brea in marriage.
So Brea, from acquaintances in middle school to standing here right now about to tie the knot, who would have thought? We've known each other for more than a decade, but in the past 5 years, we've truly gotten a chance to learn each other on a deeper level.
Travis and I met in middle school, and my first impression was that he was incredibly quiet, super tall, really cute, and he just had this calming peace and energy. So he was always a mysterious guy, but always, again, very sweet, very kind, and super quiet.
Who is this happy, social girl who's talking to everybody? I was a new student in that school. As you know, nervousness comes with going to a new school. I remember, a few occasions where, she would ask me if I needed help with something, just start conversation. That is something that, I remember till this day.
Travis, it's God's will that we find ourselves here today. You are a representation of all things good in this world.
Oh, wow. Wow. You look beautiful.
Thank you. You heal my wounds and nourish my soul. Okay. You bring peace and you are peace. When I see you, I see God's love. I love you for who you are today and who you will be tomorrow.
I always say a great life is simply a collection of great days. And if the days we've spent so far is any indication of what our life will be, I have no doubt that it will be a great one. I love you.
To stand here as your bride is the biggest blessing and honor. We've dreamt of this day for so long, but today is bigger than us. Today marks what we've deemed to be the threshold for building the family we've always dreamed of.
By the authority vested in me, I now pronounce you married, husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I'm excited to be your husband, Brea. Ever since we, reconnected, everything, since then has felt, like God has been guiding us to this point, and I couldn't be happier, with spending the rest of my life with you.
Travis, I would say that I love you. I am so happy that we're here today. We've talked about this day for so long. We've dreamt about this day for so long. And so to finally be here feels surreal. And I do feel like the luckiest woman on this planet, in this universe. And I can't wait to see what's next for us. How do you feel?
So it feels normal. It feels like we've been married for eternity, honestly. I know it's only been 2 weeks, but I feel like we've already been operating like a married couple. Obviously the officialness of it is new, but the connection and all the things that we've done, I think has already solidified, our union.
He has such a beautiful soul and spirit and aura. Anyone that talks to him always brings up his calm demeanor and just how he brings so much peace into any moment, any space that he's in. And so I love that about him. I also just think he is a very caring and protective person for the people he loves. Wow. And so I love not only how he takes care and protects me, but I love the way that he looks out for his family. And as two people who are planning a family together, just knowing that that's the partner I'm rooting our foundations in is such a beautiful thing.
My hopes and dreams for us for the future is to, first and foremost, be happy together, live a happy life, create a happy life, create children, have a family that we can, spread love to, and for us to just do good in the world in whatever capacity that we can, and do it together. Just be together and continue on what we've been doing.
My hopes and dreams are just unrelenting blessings. I think that looks like very different things. It doesn't mean only good days and sunny days. It also means challenges that we'll have to work through. Hopefully sleeping in the same bed and not going to different rooms when the times are hard. But on a serious note, just really rooting ourselves in the partnership that we're building. And family is really important to us, and so we've always dreamed of building a family together. I think that's been the thing we've been more excited for in a way other than our wedding. So yeah, I just hope that everything that's meant to be ours will be ours, and that the challenges that we face are ones that we can face together. I'm grateful for the opportunity to remind you each and every day how wonderful you are. You're thoughtful, you're caring, you're kind, and you're loved. I stand here proud to become your wife, and I commit to this journey, whatever it may bring.